How to create a website in seconds. First, visit framer.com. Second, create a new project. Third step, search for an inspirational website you want to copy. Personally, I prefer lapa.ninja. Create collection, create designs. Select a website. Here's a nice one. Fourth, go to Figma. Open the plugin HTML to design. Paste in the URL and let's create. Fifth step, use the import plugin for Framer. Adjust the width and the height so it fits the design. Sixth step, add breakpoints for tablet and mobile so your website is really responsive for every device's breakpoint. Last step, check the responsive behavior and then deploy. Click the publish button and visit your new website.